stranded at an Uncle Michael. And now coming from the left, here comes the Merlin. October is big, and as you can see, this is ready for action. As I said, it can cruise at about 175 miles an hour. Maximum endurance about 3 hours. And typically it will be crewed out with 2 pilots, 1 observer, and 1 air crewman. See that big dome underneath the cockpit there? That is the radar. It's called blue petrol. That's the radar we're telling you. Typically designed not for radar for finding other aircraft, but finding periscopes. So they're looking for submarines, clearly. The blades and the tail as well. When it lands on frigates and carriers, that whole portion is features. You can see the heat way down. And you can hold it underneath the blades. So that saves a lot of space. Primary weapon system is the stimulated torpedo. As I said, in the cargo door you can mount a 50 cal. Next door is going to be an instructor or crew brief. Also on board is Lieutenant James Wagstaff, who's the observer. First tour on Merlin. He was originally on Type 45 destroyers. Also petty officer Butler. But behind him was a massive team. Lieutenant Paddy Docker and 10 engineers. Common pilot and chief petty officer. Thank you all. These gentlemen and the whole team have been deployed for today, embarked on RFA Tide Force, an operation from here in HMS Canada, and they've been supporting the defence strategic objective 1, which is defence of the nuclear deterrent, in other words submarines. And they've been on exercise Green Eel and Cable Car, and they're going to be returning to Colrose down in Cornwall after the show. So this is their final end of tour period. And, all of the crews, flight crews and the crews on the ground, would like to say a huge thank you for the families of those deployed, and we're really looking forward to very much seeing their loved ones soon. Thank you all. Thank you all for your service. Right, now watch as the Merlin goes into the harbour. And as I've just been told by it is indeed the junior that has been put out the door. So on the end of the road, it's not a road, is the petty officer Andy Butler. He is air crewman, sensor operator, and as he said, his guest, as I said, when he took the story, he was doing on the radar, he called a pickup. But this time, they put him outside, and there is Andy, it's giving away, he's pinging away for you and me. Now just checking, they're not going to dump them in there. And you see the massive downdraft from that rotor ditch. So petty officer Andy Butler, they're going to pull away from him. And then if you look in the door, that's Lieutenant James Wagstaff. First tour on the Merlin. Came over from 45. controls in the cockpit, turn the time on, turn the mode down. What they can do is forward, heavy officer Andy Butler, best view of the house. That's going to be good. Be up to the windscreen to cancel that oscillation. We're going to turn into crowd centre. We're getting worryingly close to the water. If they come in, can you get that in? I hope not. They're reeling it in. And they're bringing the aircraft down to meet him. I guarantee you he's getting a lot of sweating now. Look how much sweating he kicked up by the downdraft. So he might as well be in the water at that. Thankfully they're hoisting him in at the last moment. Lieutenant James Wagstaff on the winch, and safely back in the door. We'll pull him back in and close the door. Wonderful display. So, as I said, the primary role is for anti-submarine, but the cabin tell where the wings does go on board, they can greatly reduce the footprint of the aircraft. Cruises at about 160 knots as well, which is a big aircraft, big cabin, but that was very fast speed. The three turbine jets on the
Her mum's all the way up there somewhere.
As I said, this is the Mark II. Newer versions now that have gone through very serious upgrades. Coming into service the Mark IV. Overwork. You'll notice a lot of bars on the side of it as well. That's part of the anti-submarine work. The final time, ladies and gentlemen, the Royal Navy Merlin Mark II. To Squadron Leader Graham Muscat from the Royal Air Force Red Arrow.